Hey everyone, to continue about the behavioral design pattern, today I will tell you about the command pattern. So first is of course is behavioral design pattern, and this aim of this design pattern is to achieve the suppression of concerns. As the example here, we have the separate the action and go to the command. Yeah, go to the application. So with this design pattern, we can achieve the loosely coupled design because of the abstract layer. The user interface component know nothing about the underlying business logic or the model. So uh, we can change sender behavior at runtime, and for that reason, we can encapsulate method invocations and encapsulating request as the object. Okay, so we have four factor for this design pattern. As you can see here, we have a command, we have a receiver, invoker, and client. With this pattern, we can achieve Lulis couple design and single responsibility because we can decouple classes that involve the operation, and the classes will be executed in operation. This is I have list out some case can apply this design pattern here. You can refer, and I will okay. We go our view for this design pattern. The first is a command implementation. Second is micro recording, for example, or queuing request, or undo or redo the functionality. We will have an example about this pattern. This applying cases. Uh, okay, and so on. So now we can go to the example to see how this pattern work. Okay. Here we have first element is invoker here. Here I have already create a class named task. So now we can I will create other classes name command. Uh, in this class uh, we will have two we will have a two function here is we have for demonstration we have execute, and other is undo here, and so we will have uh, two some classes implement this command interface. We have a package here. Sorry. I have a bucket implement, and in this example I have a create task command. Okay, and it will implement the command class. Now command one, command class, and for demonstrating I will create we will write out a message here to trace the request. Okay, so we have a name, we have a message here is task created, and we write out task here. Of course, we have to declare the task that we already created. Task, and uh, mm, we will create an abstract for this one uh, because we need an constructor here for when we initial the objects. We will need the information from the client. So here and in this one, we will write out a message. Example, task creation undone. Okay, and here we plus task, and we'll copy this and paste it. To create another one example, we have delete task. Okay, the delete task command. So for this is the same for as the create command, and we just uh, write the order message to change the task deletion. Mm. So this is typo. Later they have from task controller. Request control and request mapping here. Here we have a task, and we need to auto the uh, create the invoker here. So here we need to create the other class name command invoker here. Example. In this one, we will name this as a service, and we have a list of command here. So here we need the help of stack. We have a command as commands. we name here uh, no command uh, story. Method is invoke here, and uh, we need to invoke command. So push the command to the history. We have other uh, method here is undo method. So we need to check if the history is um, not empty. So we will have, we need to take the command from the history to undo this. And in the worst case, we will, for example, I will write down a message here, and we print no comment to undo. Okay, and this is the invoker. You can see we have uh, four component here. Is client invoker is the one we just created, and receiver is the task, and so now we will go to the controller. We will inject the invoker here, and we will create the API. Here we have a create API here, and I need this public. We have named this example create test, and we have we will receive the request information through the request party. We have a task. We have a create command here, and we pass the task down like that. So and now we need to invoke this create command. This is for create the command API. So now we will write other one is example. We need to delete the task. We need task here. Also, we will pass down the task from command. And we need to create a delete task command as here. And so now we invoke this delete command. That's all. Now we have other one is the undo command. Undo. So we will create the undo API here, for example. Uh, in this case, we just uh, call out the undo method. Okay, and that's all. Now we can run the application. Application started. Now we will create the, the uh, request here. Example, we have a task and we will have a create here in the body. We have a body and let's check the our task here. We have a name and constant. Okay, so now we have a name. This name is the example. We will create name, create task, and we have content. Yeah, and we this is test create uh, task content example. Okay, now we go to the uh, our application. See, task created with the name is created and the content is this test create task content. So now we change this and we can create an delete task here. Delete some task here. Okay. Uh, delete. Okay. And send to our application. No. Okay. We create the we create other one is the create task. So we will delete here and we will delete statue. Okay, we will rename the one more. We need to delete So we receive the delete task here. Okay, so now we we need example we have three command already. Now we need to we would like to undo all, or we example we want to undo some of this command. So we go to undo. Example, we have a create and delete. Now we undo. We need to undo the delete first, right? So we undo. We need to pause one. So you can see the task deletion undone, and this is the last task we created. And if we send again, and uh, the second task, the second created task will undone. Okay, see, and if we undone again, the first one will undone, and if we try again, we can see no command to undone. Okay, and that's all for this design pattern. Thank you for your watching.